We all know lighting is crucial whenever you're making a video. That's why I want to share with you today how to use this one light. Just one. This framing you're seeing right now is the most usual framing that I do. It's me talking to the camera, and I'm sure you do something similar too. One thing we always need to determine when lighting is how soft or hard you want the light to be. This refers to how smooth or how harsh the shadow is. It's very common to film a talking head with a very soft lighting, so it looks more flattering. When I first started learning about lighting, it was a surprise to me that the bigger and the closer the light source, the softer it actually gets. And one important thing in mind, the brightness of the light doesn't actually affect the softness of the light. It's actually the size that matters. When the light source is relatively bigger to the subject, it gets softer. The most common setup for YouTubers is probably like this. Right above the camera, a light just pointing right at you. And this is common because this is probably the most intuitive way, just put a light right in front and so you're bright. Alternatively, you can put the light at an angle to create some shadow so that your face has some depth, so that you don't look like anime. This kind of light and shadow combination makes people feel like you're talking about something serious and you want to make a point and it's important. But of course, you don't have to point at the subject or at yourself. You can bounce off the wall so that it's an even bigger light source. It's softer this way. Or you can point it at the ceiling too. And using a white shirt to diffuse the light and make it softer, not a bad idea either. And if you have a reflector, use it. And sometimes you can mix a nice professional light like this with available lights in your environment too. This gives a kind of like a warm feeling and also like a daylight. Look at that. But wait, when mixing with house light, they are usually in a very yellowish tone. What should we do? That's the white balance. Just change the white balance on this light and change the white balance on the camera like that. You can even make use of your monitor. Just open the plain white image like this. Let me turn off this light so you can see. This little line here on my side is what the monitor is doing. And with this light, it creates a pretty good image, right? Do I look handsome? And then you can replace this image with something more interesting. Or just put it outside of the frame. So there you go. Adding just one light to your video production gives you tons of options. If you're starting out, don't hesitate. A light is very much necessary. It will add so much value to your video. Big shout out to LEDGO. They gave me this LED light panel so that I can make this video. So what's a creative way you used one light with? Tell us in the comment below. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. My name is Ocean. I help people make video. So yeah, see ya. Till next time.